Show 'em how we do it. It's like
somebody, how long he will be on my mind. He will be on my mind. He will be on my mind. Wanna forget what you feel like, what you feel like. Wanna forget what you feel like, what you feel like. Tell me somebody, how long he will be on my mind.
Hello YouTube. So long story short, we had really short day today, and our DP dash is already getting done. We have the front panel and top. The front panel actually is now already connected there, and we have these side panels coming out. They are really hard to make. We need to like modify a lot of them before they fit properly onto the side. And as you can see, we have little maintenance hole there, and our top piece here. It actually is really nice in place. It's not connected by anyhow, but it goes really nice there. This is MDF, and we are using 2 sheets of MDF here because it's easier to modify the window line there. We want it tight, but it is hard to make from plywood, so we're making 2 sheets of MDF that probably making a saploon or something like this, and then make it plywood, or perhaps using just that. It will hand these decibels inside this car quite nicely. But on the next video we probably all are burping because we want to make this finish. So we make this before the next episode, this completely finish and sand down a little bit here, and then we start testing how does this affect. And we have a thin foam somewhere there that we can put in here, so we can raise the floor from the front side here and test before and after. Before and after.
Yes, niinku ennen pysyvää.
Yeah, before we make any permanent solutions here, so we test it first before we put them in. So that's about it, sorry for a short video, but hey, we are getting stuff done, as you can say. And got anything more, Nico?
No.
Let's roll. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and leave a comment. And check out our fun shop. We have cool shirts, Project Zero search, and caps and everything in there. If you don't find anything that suits for you, please leave us a comment somewhere, maybe in YouTube or somewhere, so we can make a nice base head apparel for you too. This is actually my face in a hi-fi god. It's actually, this is really old t-shirt. You can see it starts to deform a little bit, but they are really good quality products there. So that's about it. Nico starts to build something. We need to go.
Last screw in place.
Last screw in place. Screw that! We're going home. See you on the next video. Bye bye!